What's up, guys? KidMar95 here, bringing you another episode. In today's episode, guys, we're going to talk about BAT, which is your basic attention token. Sorry, what most people call it BAT for short. But really quick, guys, if you guys haven't taken a look at my previous two videos I posted yesterday on Cardano, sorry, and Power Ledger, go ahead and take a look at those now. It looks like they actually took off in our favor a lot sooner than we expected. Just wanted to bring that up. But let's take a look at the market, guys. Market cap currently sitting at 244 billion. Bitcoin dominance at 56. Bitcoin up almost 3%, up to 8,200. Crazy thing is, remember when I used to move like $200 and it would be like 15, 7%, even. Now it's only like 3%, which is crazy. But shout out to Bitcoin. Ethereum up almost 4%. Looks like we're still moving up to 370. Bitcoin Cash up to 1210, up 3%. Ripple up almost 4%. Litecoin up almost 1%, up to 72, almost meeting our previous video at $80 goal. Dash up at 7, 473. IOTA, oh my goodness, up to 95, up 10%. Neo down almost 12. Monero up 8. Let's see, Cardano up 4, up 29 at the moment. Lumen's up 4% almost, 38. What's the other one? Where'd it go? Power Ledger 35%, up to 56 now. But anyways, guys, so today's coin, like I said, is BAT. Give us a quick refresh. BAT is currently sitting at our basic attention token. Sorry, I keep calling it BAT, but we're just gonna call it BAT for short. It's currently sitting at 15 cents. So what is BAT? We're just gonna go straight to frequently asked questions. So BAT. What does BAT stand for, and what is it? Basic Attention Token is a utility token based on Ethereum technology that can also be used as a unit of account between advertisers, publishers, and users in our new blockchain-based digital advertising and service platform. Ownership of tokens carry no rights other than the right to use them as a means to obtain services on the BAT platform and to enable usage of an interaction with the platform if successfully completed and deployed. These tokens do not represent or confer any ownership right or stake, share, or security or equivalent rights or any right to receive future revenue shares, intellectual property rights, or any other form of participation in or relating to BAT platform and or Brave and its affiliates. Brave is basically the browser, like Safari or Chrome. So Brave is something that they actually have, and that's actually what I actually just downloaded today, I believe it was. It's actually pretty cool. I like it's automatically blocks all the ads and stuff, but we're gonna go into further detail later on. Where were we? Affiliated tokens are not refundable and are not intended to be a digital currency, security, commodity, or any kind of financial instrument. So basically what that means is this isn't a cryptocurrency, it's a utility token, which means this is their website here, by the way, which means its value is basically attention, you know. So the longer you're on a website, you're able to pay, or not even website, just like publishers or whatever the case may be, you're able to pay them with your attention, which is the BAT. But here, for at least that's my understanding. So here, if you want to get updates on future things that they got going on, you could do that. This is the video. I'm not gonna play this just because for the sake of the length of the video, but this is a very great video to watch. Goes into great detail. And so basically, what it is, it's from the creator of JavaScript and the co-founder of Mozilla Firefox, which I'm sure a lot of us have used, with a solid team funded by Founders Fund, Foundation Capital, Propel Venture Partners, Pantera Capital, DCG, so a bunch of all these guys. Basic Attention Token radically improves the efficiency of digital advertising by creating a new token that can be exchanged between publishers, advertisers, and users, and it all happens on the Ethereum blockchain. The token can be used to obtain a variety of advertising and attention-based services on Brave platform. Remember, Brave is the browser. The utility of the token is based on user attention, which simply means a person's focus on mental engagement. So basically the way it works is between user, advertiser, and publisher. That's how it used to be. But now there's just so many middlemen involved that they just cut so many out of the profits. A great example of this would be with YouTube. I'm sure a lot of YouTubers know this, that it's a lot harder to stack your earnings with your videos. You need a lot more views than you needed way back then, simply because there's just too many middlemen taking their slice of the pie basically. The challenge. So digital advertising is overrun by middlemen, trackers, and fraud. Users are abused. Up to 50% of the average user's mobile data is for the ads and trackers, costing as much as $23 a month. So we're basically paying to be bothered, is what it seems like. Ads use about 5 seconds of mobile load time on average. Ads decrease phone battery life by as much as 21%. Privacy is violated when large media sites host up to 70 trackers. Malware investate. Ransomware is up to 100%, 32% in 1 year. So the cool thing is about this, how it's saying, a lot of, where is it? Phone battery, mobile. They actually have this Brave application, the browser, for iOS and Android. So you can actually download that. And I was trying to sync it over with my laptop to my phone, but it doesn't seem like they're able to do that yet. But it does mention that you can. It's just at least on my iPhone, it wasn't working. But continuing on, publishers are hurting. Google and Facebook take 73% of all the ad dollars and 99% of all growth. See, there you go. Revenue is recently down 66%. Bots inflicted 7.2 billion fraud last year. Over 600 million phones and desktops run ad blocking. Yeah, including me. Publishers cannot seamlessly monetize value-added services. Advertisers are losing. Advertisers lack good information on what they are paying for. Marketers are often fooled by bogus websites and bots that commit fraud. Targeting is poor, making users more likely to ignore ads. So this is basically what they saw the problem was. And now, like I was mentioning, so Brave is their browser, and BAT is their token, which is basically the new deal. So stage 1, Brave browser. Brave is a fast, open source, private focused browser that blocks malware, I don't even know if I'm saying that right, trackers, and contains a ledger system that anonymously captures user attention to accurately reward publishers. The basic attention token can be used to obtain a variety of advertising and attention-based services on Brave platforms, as it is engaged between publishers, advertisers, and users. The token utility is derived from or denominated by the user attention. Attention is really just focused mental engagement on an advertisement in this case. Stages 1 plus 2 equals a new deal. The Brave browser knows where users spend their time, making it the perfect tool to calculate and reward publishers with BATs. This service creates a transparent and efficient blockchain-based digital advertising market. Publishers receive more revenue because middlemen are fraud and reduced. Users who opt in receive fewer but better targeted ads that are less prone to malware, and advertisers get better data on their spending. So how does it work basically? So the Brave browser anonymously monitors users' attention and rewards publishers according with the BATs, the basic attention tokens. So BATs. Users are rewarded with BATs for their attention. User attention is privately monitored on device in the Brave's browser. Users' private data never leaves their device. So here's the shield. Publishers receive BATs based on the user attention. Revenue increases as inefficiencies decreases. Advertisers achieve higher return on investment, better targeting, and reduced fraud. And then another shield. So some more questions that you might come up is, well, how do I become a publisher? How do you start earning? Because, maybe you're not going to be this huge website, or, maybe you're not going to be this huge YouTuber, or, whatever the case may be. Or, maybe you're not going to be a huge artist or whatever. So what should I do if I'm a publisher? If you're a publisher or planning to verify as a publisher with Brave, you can sign up at Uphold and start the process of becoming a verified Uphold member. You will need to have a verified Uphold account in order to receive contributions. Also, Brave verified publishers that have completed the tax-related and KYC-related known paperwork from the Bitcoin proof of concept will be required to create an Uphold account and go through the verification. So yeah, just get verified through Uphold. But something that actually came out the other day, guys, is and this is what actually caught my attention with BAT, because I knew of it, I didn't dig too deep into it, but this is what caught my attention. Brave browser brings basic attention token platform to YouTube. So check it out. So I'm using the Brave platform right now, as you can tell. So there's supposed to be an ad here, um, you know, ad here, but not happening. You can like see right here, it's got like ads block, upgrades, all that fun stuff. Go ahead and close that. Then we finish this article. So this actually came out 4 days ago, guys. Today's the 20th. Brave browser brings basic attention token platform to YouTube. The latest version of the Brave browser enables users to donate money to their favorite YouTube star using basic attention token payment platform. As the official announcement explains, the Brave browser automatically blocks all the web ads, even those on YouTube, but users can contribute directly to participate publishers by adding funds to their browser wallet and distributing them to publishers based on time spent viewing website content or at custom amounts. Brave says that all the data stays within the browser, so user information remains private. That's what I think is probably the coolest part. It all stays within your browser, so you're protected. Originally, this feature only worked on a domain by domain basis, but the desktop browser version, this is the recent update, supports for users to send funds anonymously and directly to individual YouTube creators, rather than the platform that hosts their content, unlike YouTube's ad program, which sucks. It will be available to all YouTube channels, not even those that just hit a minimum view threshold. So that's what also is pretty cool. It's every single YouTuber, every single channel, not just, if you hit the minimum threshold, which sucks for you, YouTube. Things are changing. The blockchain is coming for YouTube. Anyways, that was my dog barking. But Brave co-founder and Brandon Eich, I believe, who also co-founded Mozilla, maker of the popular Firefox browser, told CNET that YouTube and other social media platforms like Facebook and Twitter reap far too high a percentage of the profits from content that they merely host, while the creators themselves may see little to none of the profits. That's basically, like I mentioned earlier, that was their problem, so this is why they wanted to find a way around it. There's been an exploitation, and those platform owners are the biggest companies on the planet, Ike says. Brave charges a 5% fee for its payment service to help maintain the platform, but the other 95% goes directly to the creator, a much higher percentage than creators receive from YouTube and ad revenue, for instance. Payments are automatically converted into fiat currency by currency exchange uphold, so publishers and creators never have to interact directly with BAT tokens unless they choose to do so. In the future, Brave intends to provide users the ability to opt into a limited advertising experience that blocks trackers and preserves user privacy. Revenue generated from these ads will be shared with publishers and eventually users themselves. So it seems like there's going to be more updates towards this. But like I did mention earlier, this isn't in a cryptocurrency, guys. This is an attention token that you basically, you're on your browser like normal and you're paying whatever site or publisher you're on just for being on their site and giving them their attention and being involved. However, I did take a peek at the charts just to kind of see where we were at, but let's go ahead and close some of this. Give it a quick refresh, let's just see. So compared to US dollars, we're currently at 16 cents or 116 cents to the fourth, up 3%. I believe at the beginning of the video it was almost 2%. I'm not sure. I can't remember, but let's give it a quick refresh here. So this is the daily chart for BAT to Bitcoin, not BAT to dollar. Just want to make sure we're clear on that. I went ahead and drew some support and resistance already just to kind of see where we were at. So it looks like we have a pretty solid support here at 1807. This is the daily here. I'm still looking for a confirmation. No confirmation on the daily, but I'm going to switch over to the 4-hour to see if I have a better look. Looks like we forgot to draw that resistance. Or I guess it was that one. No, I guess those are two separate ones. Anyways, take a look at the 4-hour. Oh yeah, I see what I did there. That's what I did. Alright, so the 4-hour seems like we're stuck in a nice little range here. Haven't really broke out. Like I said earlier, though, we do have support here at 1804, 1814. But it doesn't seem like we have any confirmation yet that we want to continue to the upside. Like I said, guys, this isn't a cryptocurrency, so I'm not expecting huge jumps, but I do believe in the company. So I believe the company is super undervalued. The market cap is currently at 164 million. I believe the market cap for this is definitely at least twice, maybe 4 or 5 times as that. However, with that being said, if the market cap goes up, I do believe the price of the token will go up, since we do only have 500 million that still need to be released into circulating supply. And it looks like it's actually starting to move now a little bit more. But the 4 hour doesn't show me any confirmation. However, we do have support here at 18. So at support, usually what do you do at support? You buy. So I'm expecting this to come up. As you can already tell, we already have a nice bullish engulfing here. This might actually become a live trading video, depending. As you can tell here, I'm actually gonna. This is a great example. So this is actually a buy right now for me, and I'm gonna tell you why. You see, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So these 7 hours we were in a bearish market, short-term bearish market. And within the last hour, we went from 19 to 1971, right? This 1 hour engulfed not only 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, but 7 candles. So to me, this is a buy. Now, I'm no financial advisor, but this is the personal opinion. This is just my technical analysis. I believe that this will see a short-term. Oh, definitely. I believe we will see a short-term bullish move. It definitely looks like we'll be breaking out, possibly coming up to 2063, coming down once more, and continuing back up to the upside. Possibly that's what I think might happen. If not, we're just gonna like last night's video. But that's pretty much it for today's video, guys. Don't forget to subscribe, comment, like, follow me on Instagram and Twitter. I'll leave my links down below. Let me know what you guys are trying to see. It seems like you guys really like the technical analysis. That's what you guys are messaging me. But that's pretty much it, guys. Take it easy and peace.